outfit mo ngayon naka. Hey, Bunny! Hi! There's a gravy. Sa Biblio po.
Where's gravy? And it comes with.
Ay! Gulat siya.
Gulat.
You're sitting. Naghihintay kang pumasok. Ang good girl mo naman. Kapakabait naman, waiting long. Say hi to the kid. Hello. You want candy? Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Anong meron dyan? Anong meron? You want plants? Yes, it's like plants. It's a plant too.
Santa dog.
There's a Santa dog.
Yes.
Oh, you choose a toy. You want to choose a toy?
You want to get a treat? Boy. Fragrance ang gusto mo? Ayan, toys? Where are the toys? Ayan, choose a toy.
May dragon fruit. Tsaka pineapple. Oh, ang daming toys, oh. What's that? Hi! Hi!
Treat, yeah, treat. Oh, you choose your treat.
Choose a treat. Oh, ikaw na lang magbigay. Dami mo kasi. Sa basement. Oh, what's that? Look, oh, what's that? What's that? Wow! Anong meron? Oh. go. You want some? What's that? What's that?
Banana.
Ah, banana. Oh, look, a banana.
Baby, look.